नमस्कार पूरब बेटा. Okay, let us start. Vaishnavi, and wear your mask. Everyone wear your mask on your nose. Start our class with Bhumi Vandana. We'll join our hands, close our eyes. Samudravastane Devi Parvatasthanamandale Vishnupatni Namastubhyam Padasparsha Swamaswame. Rub your hands, put them on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar children. Let us start our today's class with CWN. Yes, CWN date. Purab, write your CWN date in your notebook, Purab. Today's date is 14th of February 2022. Let us draw 4 lines on the board, everyone. That is what I am writing, Amoli. We shall write the heading on the first line, everyone. And our heading is write A or N. Write A or N. Write A or N. Yes. A or N. So what is this topic, everyone? A or N? What is it called? What is the topic of A or N? What is it called? Grouping. It's called article. What is it called, everyone? Articles. Okay. So let us start drawing first. Again, wait, ma'am. Where your mask, Vinay? We shall start drawing. First, we will draw our margin line. Margin line. No. Because ma'am is absent today. लाइन नहीं करनी है. हेडिंग लिखो फर्स्ट लाइन में. The first picture is of a starfish. Dash starfish. Dash is a starfish. Okay, Riva, what should I write? A or N? A. Very good. Clap for Riva, everyone. A starfish, because starfish starts with the letter S. Is a consonant. Consonant के आगे हम क्या लगाते हैं? A. Yes, very good. Very good, बेटा. जैसे आता हो वैसे. Riva, what are you doing? Excuse me, ma'am, not side, please. So the answer is wear your mask. Wear your mask. Harshit, wear your mask. Or starfish. Wear your mask. Ask someone to give you. Take this. Then keep it back here. A starfish. Okay, everyone. Next we will draw ear. Okay, ear. How will you draw an ear, everyone? Look here. First, make a curve. Go on that bench. Diva, go on that. Down. Yes. Dash here. Vaishnavi, what will be the answer? Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, what will be the answer? A or N? What is E? What is E? Vowel or consonant? तो क्या लगाएंगे हम vowel के आगे? Riva, go on that bench so that you can see. An ear. An ear. An ear. Go there. The last set. Sit properly, Bhavya. Wear your mask on your nose. Everyone. Okay. Yes, beta. Happy birthday. God bless. God bless. Thank you. Say happy birthday to Bhaiya. Okay. Third picture will be carrot. So how will we draw a carrot, children? Make a triangle. No. We will draw a जैसा आया वैसे चलेगा. Carrot. Let's draw a carrot, everyone. Dash carrot. Jia, what will be the answer of this, Jia? A carrot. Because C is a very good. And consonant के आगे हम क्या लगाते हैं? A carrot. A carrot. A carrot. Double R also. Yes, thank you. A carrot. Wear your mask on your nose, Ishan. Not in your mouth. आपको नीचे नीचे लिखना है. जब तक जगह हो नीचे लिखते जाओ. The fourth picture. Everyone, look at the fourth picture. It's the picture of eye. Eye. Dash eye. Aradhya, what will be the answer, Aradhya? Very good. An eye. An eye. Why? Because E is a yes, E is a vowel. Vowel के आगे हम लगाएंगे an. An eye. An eye. An eye. Done, everyone? Wear your mask on your nose. Dia, wear your mask. Jinal. Okay, next. On the next picture, draw a U. Big U. Yes, now. Next you can write. Draw a big U. Okay. Next you will draw two standing lines. What? No, it's not a cup. Okay? Then we will draw rectangle. Okay? This is shovel. Do you go to beach? Have you ever gone to a beach? In Goa? हाँ, उसमें छोटी सी बकेट और वो आता है shovel, जिससे आप धूल उठाकर बकेट में डालते हो, सैंड कैसल बनाते हो, उसे shovel बोलते हैं. Shovel starts with letter S. What is S, everyone? Consonant के आगे हम क्या लगाएंगे? A shovel. Oh yes, O-E. Thank you. O-E. Shovel. Yes, oval आया. What is diagram or a blank? Okay, let us draw the next picture. Draw a rectangle like this. Draw a rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, and then dash window. Window starts with letter W. What should I write? A or N? Very good. Clap for Ahanish, everyone. A window. Purab and Pranshi, are you with me, beta? Purab, Pranshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay. A window. Sorry? Very good. Molly, clap for Molly. Yes, beta. There is an alarm clock also. 1 minute, please. Okay. So let's draw alarm clock. Make a circle, everyone. Okay. Make a alarm clock circle. Give it 2 legs. You can draw small triangles here. See. For its legs. Small triangles. Okay. Then we will give it 2 ears. 2 ears. 2 ears. Okay? Dash alarm. Dash alarm starts with letter A. What is A?
Mobile.
Consonant? Consonant? Purab, what is A, beta? Purab?
Yes, ma'am.
What is A? What is A?
Consonant.
Purab.
Consonant.
A is a consonant, beta?
Yes.
No, A is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. A is a vowel. Vowel के आगे हम क्या लगाएंगे पूरब? A or N? Yes, very good. It's not called A N. You say N. Harshit, ready or not? An alarm. An alarm. Yes, an alarm. N से नीचे. हाँ. Alarm. An alarm. Okay. Next we will draw a picture of a ship which runs on water. Okay. Let's draw the picture of a ship. What should I write? A ship and ship, everyone. A ship. Very good. Thank you. जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो मासी को. जैसे मैम को गुड मॉर्निंग बोलते हो, नमस्कार, वैसे मासी को भी बोलना चाहिए ना. जय श्री कृष्ण मासी. Very good. Every day you should greet Masi also. Okay? A ship. A ship. 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 What is?
Consonant.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Thank you, beta. Pranshi Purak, this is our today's class work. Homework I will send in our group. Okay, beta? Finish your classwork, please. Finish your classwork, please. Yes, yes, I'm waiting, beta. I'm waiting. I'll call you one by one. Sit down, everyone. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Rashid, writing अच्छे करो. राइटिंग भी अच्छी नहीं बेटा.
Done, ma'am.
ओके प्रांशी पूरब दोनों हो गया दोनों का. ओके बेटा, सी यू टुमारो. नमस्कार. थैंक यू बेटा.
Bye bye.
बाय बेटा. बाय बाय. थैंक यू.